Come to you from another dimension where burgers are made out of pork and bacon is made out of beef. Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. We're making beef bacon. I've got a big piece of brisket here and a piece of chuck. We're going to try both and see what makes the better beef bacon. First thing I'm going to do is add a spoonful of pink cure. Curing salt's pretty potent. We're going to let this sit for a week. 1 spoonful will do. We've pre-measured 3 heaping spoonfuls of brown sugar for some flavor. Just going to cover the top with salt, just regular salt. Adding in some black peppercorns, ground black pepper, and then some garlic. And then after that, we're going to submerge it in water. First, just like to rub that in as much as I can. I'm just going to pour enough water in there to submerge it. Got both pieces submerged in our cure. They're going to sit for about a week and then they'll be ready to smoke. So here's the cooked final product. We've got our chuck, which all we did here was we took the chuck eye off, which we'll keep fresh and grill for ourselves. So this is really your boneless short rib. It's the closest thing I could find to beef plate just off the shelf at the store. Beef plate is typically where your bacon would come from, the beef belly. But it wasn't as readily available as you would think. So I've seen brisket recipes. We just took right behind the point of the brisket, section out of the middle of the brisket for this. So we're going to find out which makes a better beef bacon. Just going to take a slice off and see how it looks. Beautiful. Can't wait to fry that up. I want to have a look at what our brisket bacon's going to look like. Now, you can use a dry brine. A lot of people are intimidated by the wet brine because they haven't done it. This is just the bacon brine I used when we did our making bacon video on pork. So I wanted to have some continuity and comparison. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice. I don't know which one's going to be better. I'm just going to cut it down to fit the slicer here so we get thinner slices. Same with this one here. And we smoked this for about 3 hours at about 200 degrees to get it to about 150 internal. It's not hard to make bacon, but doing it with a German Shepherd between your feet the entire time, that adds a level. It smells so good. I'm not even done slicing it and we haven't fried it up yet. I'm going to taste it at this state because I am curious. It's like an amazing piece of lunch meat. I don't know how to explain it. It's like not quite pastrami, but you can taste the cure. It's really moist. This is going to fry up real nice. It's just a really nice piece right there. Cutting our brisket. So I'm just laying out some of our brisket bacon and some of our chuck bacon, keeping it separate for a fair comparison. We got our oven preheated at 375, and just cook it to your desired level of crispiness. I have a feeling with beef it might take a little longer. I have a feeling with the fat content in this brisket, it's going to get a little crispier. Chuck bacon. Delicious. Crispy. Bacony. Ooh. That's great. Brisket bacon. Feels more like pork bacon because of the amount of fat in it. Tastes more like pork bacon. Man, they're both really good. Both of them stand up to pork bacon in my opinion. The leaner cut off the boneless short rib gives it a beefier flavor if you're really trying to differentiate the taste. The brisket one, you could tell a difference, but it is a lot closer to traditional bacon made with like a pork belly. Now that we've got... Doc started licking me right away. He knows when the camera clicks on. Now that we've got our beef bacon ready, we're gonna go ahead and make a pork burger. Get me a beer. Good boy. So our pork burger's done. Got our beef bacon here ready to go. We'll put this together. Start with a little bit of lettuce. Go on our pork patty with some American cheese. Tomato. A bit of onion. A little bit of pickle. Also, how can you forget the beef bacon? Can you do too much bacon? Is that a thing? This looks pretty epic to me. Well, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and press that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks a lot for watching.